People are very health conscious, but they still want the delicious golden and crispy foods that they normally only get by deep frying. The Element IQ air fry system allows you to have those foods that you love without the guilt. When you choose air fry, what's happening is you're getting a higher temperature and a much higher velocity speed of moving air. What that does is it transmits the heat really quickly to the food that you're cooking, and also it touches a lot more of the food that you're cooking. So it's really suited for things like French fries. We've done a lot of work to optimize the airflow systems in our oven. So we've used computer simulations to really optimize the way the air moves inside the cavity and the way the air is directed over the hot elements before it touches the food. So it's kind of preheating the air, and also to make sure that the air touches as much of the food as possible. So every French fry, for example, is getting touched with hot air, not just a few of them. When you choose slow cook inside our ovens, what's happening is we're starting with a slightly hotter temperature for a shorter amount of time to kind of kickstart the cooking process. And then we drop to a very low and slow cooking mode for up to 72 hours. After that period's finished, it drops to a keep warm phase until it's served. So really it's about low and slow cooking. Low and slow cooking really allows flavor to develop. So you get a really succulent, moist piece of meat, and the flavor is very mature and very, very delicious.